facilitated in donating computers and the training of 15 tots among our instructors. To this end, 29 out of 59 computers have been delivered to various vocational training centers courtesy of Stanbic Foundation. Further, from this cohort, 15 trainees have been selected for advanced training on how to earn a living online. They will in turn be handy in training other trainees. Ladies and gentlemen, it is important to note that this digital program is in line with my desire to have the youth empowered with skills to enable them earn a living and get employment opportunities. Apart from school and college bursaries, my administration is keen on the mainstreaming of the youth in various talent programs and ICT training. Already, in collaboration with Centum and MasterCard through AGIRI, over 12,000 youth have benefited from free ICT training since the AGIRI Center was initiated in Kisii County 2 years ago. Just like this digital training program, AGIRI is aimed at opening avenues for the training and employment opportunities for our youth, especially in the online platforms, which is now the in thing in the world.
Things are just the beginning for you. It is to open for you the doors of a lot of opportunities that you can access online. However, you have to take the step. You have to be resilient. You have to push yourself. You have to be hungry to learn. And I'm happy to see the resilience I'm seeing in this county. It is very, very promising.
Digital training is a game changer in providing a platform for young men and women to nurture and showcase their skills, talents, and have them expose the job market out there. So appeal for more of our youth and adults too to enroll in the free training program at our vocational training.
This is just the beginning. Our expectation is that we continue to work together to walk this journey throughout the 3-year agreements that we have, and thereafter to see how we can be able to take that forward.
To the graduates, I want to wish you all the best out there and encourage you to be our good ambassadors. Please talk to your colleagues out there, let them join this free program because it will truly change their lives.
My name is Jacqueline Chomba, and I'm here on behalf of the ATC Kenya Digital Communities. It's a privilege to be here today to celebrate our graduates, both the trainees and the trainers, who have benefited from the Digital Skills Program through our partners, Stanbic Foundation and the County Government of Kisii. On behalf of ATC Kenya Digital Communities, we are excited to be part of this transformative initiative in collaboration with the Stanbic Foundation and the County Government of Kisii as we work together to enhance digital learning through the technical and vocational education and training ecosystems and our Digital Communities program.
To the graduates, I want to wish you all the best out there and encourage you to be our good ambassadors. Please talk to your colleagues out there, let them join this free program because it will truly change their lives. Those few remarks, I wish to thank and congratulate all the graduates and advise that you put the skills you have acquired into practice to earn a decent living. I wish to thank our partners, including Stanbic Foundation and Microsoft, for joining hands with us to make this